Welcome to Quiz Knowledge Entertainment channel. This is our online quiz channel. Let's learn something new today. So we have to guess 35 birds in 5 seconds. One correct answer, 1 point. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe our Quiz Knowledge Entertainment channel and press the bell button for more exciting quizzes. So first we have to guess this bird. Can you tell us the name of these lovely birds? And the answer is albatross. Okay, can you guess the name of this bird? See, it's flying so high. Arctic tern, which flies from Arctic to the Antarctic region. Yes, tell us the name of this bird. It looks like crane, but it's not that. The name of the bird is avocet. Now guess the name of this small tiny bird. Let's see what the name is. It's barn swallow. Okay, so guess the name of this colorful bird. Yes, it's bee eater. So can you guess the name of this bird? Let's see what the name is. It's blue jay. It's so colorful and pretty. Let's see the name. Yes, it's bluebird. It's one of the most familiar bird. Many of us keep this bird as pet. So can you guess the name? Yes, is Bajariga. This is another tiny pretty bird and it's very cute. Can you tell us the name? Yes, bush warbler. Oh, this is so lovely and pretty. Can you guess the name of these birds? Canary. It looks like ostrich, but I don't think it's an ostrich. So can you guess the name? It's cassowary. Okay, it's another small bird perching on a branch of a tree. Can you guess the name? Catbird. This is another familiar bird. Can you guess the name of this bird? The name is cocktail. This is one of the most familiar birds we all have ever seen. Can you tell us the name? Yes, it's cockatoo. Wow, this is a flying bird. Can you tell us the name of this bird? It's flying high in the sky. The name is common swift. Can you guess the name of this lovely, pretty, colorful bird? Conure. This bird looks like a crane standing on one leg, but we don't know the name. Let's see what the name is. It's scoot. Let's move on to the next one. Can you guess the name of this bird? It's one of the tallest birds in the world. Yes, it's crane. Can you tell us the name of this bird? It's the most common bird found in India. Yes, it's crow. Can you tell us the name of this bird? Its eyes are so scary. Let's see the name. It's cuckoo. Can you guess the name of this bird which is already extinct? Yes, it's dodo. Can you guess the name of these two birds? It's one of the tiniest birds in the world. Yes, it's dollar. Can you guess the name of this bird? It's a symbol of peace. Yes, it's dove. Can you guess the name of this bird? It's another most familiar bird. Yes, it's duck. It's another familiar bird. Can you guess the name? Yes, it's Chinook. Can you guess the name of this bird? It's flying high in the sky. Your guess is correct. It's an eagle. Okay, now let's go to the next bird. Can you guess the name? Yes. Let's see. It's emu. It's another flightless bird. Can you guess its name? It also looks very scary. Can you tell us the name of this bird? It's falcon. Can you guess the name of this bird perching on a branch of a tree? Let's see the name. Yes, you're right. It's finches. This is so cute. Can you tell us the name of this bird? It's very pretty as well. Yes, it's Gadwal. Yes, can you guess the name of this bird looking high in the sky? And you were correct, it's gannet. This bird is so colorful, bright color body with a lovely small beak. It's goldfinch. Can you guess the name? Let's see what the name of this bird is. Yes, it's goose. It's a type of duck. Can you guess the name of this bird with black feather and red wings? Yes, it's greater cockle. This is a very common bird we all know. Can you guess the name? Yes, the name is grebe. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe Quiz Knowledge Entertainment channel to get new and more exciting videos like this, and press the bell button by the side of the subscription notice.